1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, shuffle deep and touch and deep and touch. Quarter chest walk, stepping forward and hold half turn. Step forward, full turn, weight hands on the left. We continue just a little bit and then we will see if we figure out the music. We're going to step in the diagonal, step and touch, back again, step and touch, we take the other diagonal, step and touch, step forward, step and touch. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we hit show 8. Let's try the 6, 7, diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hit show 8. Say yes. Now, while we're going to step forward, maybe we can do an arm movement. You decide. It's like I'm looking through my fingers on the music, yeah? So either we decide we take the right arm or we take both. You decide. Or you say, Pim, I don't want to do any of it. You choose, okay? 6, 7, and boom, and touch, and boom, and touch, and back, and touch, and step, and hitch. Yes or yes? Yeah? Okay. From this hitch, you're going to cross over, cross, out, ball change, and out. It's crossing over left, over right. Now this is going to be a bit tricky. You do this in your own styling. What happens is we're stepping out, we hitch you back to the left and the right. We just make a little pop, pop with the shoulders, as long as the weight finishes on the right. Yeah? We try this once more. We finish this hitch with the right. We cross it over, out, cross, step, shoulder, shoulder. Exactly, so we go first to the left, then to the right. This sounds better, yeah? Okay, let's give it one more try with the touch diagonal and the cross, out, with your shoulders. Yeah, 6, 7, and finger touch, back and touch, back with your hitch, and cross and hold out, and cross and step, hitch, boom. Weight hands on the right. Say yes. We try that once more. Okay, here we go. 6, 7, and step and touch, step and touch, step and touch, step and hitch and cross and hold while change and out and dip, boom, boom. Very nice. Before we're going to practice this a bit more, we're going to give it a little sound check, see if the music wants to work. Otherwise, we have some more time to fix the music. Yeah. We're going to give it a try. From the beginning, on the music. Say yes. Let's give it a go.